Meet UGOT, a versatile AI robotic kit. Featuring a unique modular design, and it's easy to assemble. You can build the quadruped robot in 2 minutes. Awaken it with just one click on the app, and it's capable of 360 degrees far-field audio recognition. By replacing a few parts, you can transform it into an engineered vehicle. Pick up a bone easily and play with your dog with UGOT. Here comes the wheeled and legged robot you have never seen before. It can perfectly balance while go over the uneven terrains. You can also experience the FPV mode with the UGOT app. With face recognition, UGOT knows you and who to play with. Invite your loved ones to explore with UGOT. From Python to graphical programming, both adults and children can interact with. AI gesture recognition. Need more fun? No problem. Here's the transforming car. It is capable to go over obstacles, drive over gravel, climbing mountains and crossing puddles. More combination and more fun. Explore the future of robotic with UGOT.